Ever wondered if a bell can ring without sound? Let's dive into this mystery. You ring the bell, boom. A loud ding bursts out with colorful sound waves rippling everywhere. Now watch. We put the bell inside a vacuum jar labeled no air. What happens when you ring it here? Ring it again. But the sound waves vanish like magic. Where did the sound go? A light bulb moment. Meet our tired sound molecules stuck with nowhere to bump, no air, no sound. Split screen time. Left side, happy molecules bouncing with sound waves zooming. Right side, empty vacuum space, sound fades away. So, the bell rings silently in the vacuum, it's ringing, but your ears just can't catch it.